Let me show you how to buy SoSoValue indices. What does it even mean? So if you are farming SoSoValue and you scroll down somewhere around here, you can see SSI campaign. Win 30 million SoSo token, get SSI now. And then there's another task that also has the SSI. So you find that on the starter pack, right? So here it says buy SoSoValue indices and you receive 150,000 SoSoValue points. All right, that's EXP. So guys, why no one is sleeping on this SoSoValue project is because the season 1 is out and token were distributed, and those who were eligible, they caught quite some fish, right? So no one is sleeping on this one, which will be dropped in first quarter of 2026. So people are going all out, right? So that's why people want to increase their chances of receiving more tokens, and this is just one of the ways. So if you're interested in buying your SoSoValue indexes, that's what we're doing right now. So by the way, I've made a video showing how to connect your wallet. Yes, you need that video. If you have not connected your wallet, I'll leave the link to that video so you jump on it and get yourself well on your way to go. And if you have not started farming SoSoValue at all, it's not too late. I'll leave you my invite link in the pinned comment of the video and also on the Telegram page so you can register and start farming. So let's go. So first off, you need USDC on Base network. That's what you can use to buy the SSI. And if you're wondering how you can get that, I've done a video showing how to bridge USDT to USDC, or how to convert USDT to USDC on an exchange, or how to trade USDT to USDC on an exchange, right? So all you just need is some USDT or any other token that you can swap to USDT, and then bridge, convert, or swap. So now you have some USDC on your wallet, you're well on your way to go. Now make sure you're on the wallet that you connected on your SoSoValue farming account where you're farming airdrop. Click on discover here on the wallet. So we are using the app browser now. So you log into SoSoValue by entering the URL of SoSoValue here. Click on EXP here. Now you log in with your information. So you're on sign up, so you toggle over by tapping on login. Alright, so I've logged in and points accounting ready. So let's get straight to the point. Let's go to the starter pack. Click on buy here. I'll connect a wallet. I'm on OKX wallet, so I'll select OKX wallet from here. Alright, so not quite what I was expecting, but they still asked me to import a wallet, and I've just done that. Now I'm to select a network. Network I want is Base. EVM compatible wallets already exist. Confirm. I'm selecting the network. Network is Base. So look at Base here. You acknowledge that I'm trading with real money. Accept the terms and privacy policy, and you click on accept. That's the only way you can, successfully connect your wallet. Confirm. Verify with the fingerprint. Wallet is connected. You can confirm that by clicking on this wallet symbol here. Just click on menu here. Click on buy. You have options here. There's mark7.ssi. So if you go for mark7, it's like you're buying the top 7 cryptocurrencies, talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, BNB, Ripple, and Solana, right? That's the one you find in that category. The next category is DeFi SSI, and this one too, they have their tokens here. All right, so there is the USSI, the meme SSI. So let's see, let's try the mark7. Let's actually come by here. Alright, so I have entered 4 USDC worth of the mark7 token, and this will give me 3.99 USDC worth. So don't forget, you're going to need some ETH base for gas fee, right? Buy. So I'll pay this, I'll get this. So approve and confirm. So I will still enter the amount. Alright, so the gas fee is cool. 1 cent worth of ETH. Wow, that's cool. On Base network, right? USDC approved. Confirm. Authenticate with the fingerprint. Alright, so I have successfully bought. You have the option to stake. Do I want to stake? Let's see. Alright, so you can actually stake. SSI tokens are available for withdrawal 14 days after unstaking. Well guys, this is not part of the buying process. This one just showed up and I'm seeing if I can give it a shot, right? Let's say I want to stake. It's just experiment, right? So let's say I want to stake 4. Alright, there's going to be a gas fee here as well, 1 cent. 4. Confirm. So you go right on ahead and confirm. Verify with fingerprint. Alright, so I've just staked. Okay, so let's go back now that we've completed the task and claim the reward, right? So the DR browser is taking way too much time, so I decided to come back. I hope to complete it here. So I click on start pack. I've already bought, I've connected this. So let's click on verify. And boom, I have received it. Starter pack 150,000, right? So that will be added to my balance. And right now it says I have a total of 5,482 something points, and I need this to get to the next level. So there you have it, guys. That's how to buy SSI and grab free 150,000 SoSo points. Looks like it's a one-time task that has gone away. So if you have a desktop, you can install desktop app and receive 150 points again for season 2, right? Then you can just go on completing the daily task, the bonus task, and stacking more points, right? So that's what's up, guys. Thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you're not already on SoSoValue, if you're not already farming the project, I'll leave you my invite link in the pinned comment so you can jump on it, register, and start farming. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.